Welcome, in front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So you can obviously see this is the setup screen. It does this nice thing where it welcomes you here. So all you want to do right on this page is find your desired language. I'll be sticking with English, but obviously you can see that there's quite a decent list of languages to choose from. From there, let's select Get Started, and obviously important information. This is not really important information to you because it is kind of like the warranty, safety, etc. Just the terms of service. So it's important to the company like Samsung, so you don't sue their ass, but it's not important to you, and you can't really use your phone without actually agreeing to this trash. So yeah, so important information, warranty. Then we have more of the data charge. Now this, I believe, is applied to just your carrier, not really the device itself. So just select Next. Connect to mobile network. This step is completely optional. There's also Wi-Fi page to connect to. And if you choose to skip both of them like I am, you will lose the ability to log into your Google account, and additionally, date and time might not be set correctly. Now, both of those things can be changed later on. Once the setup is complete, you can just connect to Wi-Fi and then add the Google account, and once you connect to Wi-Fi, date and time should be fixed automatically. So I'm just gonna set it up offline. Then we have data and time, or not data, but date and time, which, as you can see, like I mentioned, this is not being set automatically, so the time is actually incorrect, but I don't really care for it right now, so I'm just gonna select Next. And this will bring me to Google Services. So we have location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. All nicely little worded packages of information right here. I can tap exactly what these do, or tap on an arrow to see exactly what these do. But the general idea and brief abbreviation of this is location uses GPS tracking on your device. Then we have scanning, allows the device to look for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals. And then we have send user and diagnostic data, which is just a really subtly put Google versions of spying on you by basically gathering data on what you do on your device, what you search for, and all that stuff, and then sending the information to themselves so they can, quotation mark, improve the user experience. Not exactly sure how they improve my user experience by checking what I search for. So yeah, I'm gonna disable that because it's just kind of creepy. And then we can go to the bottom, select Accept, go to the next page, which allows us to set up a screen lock. Obviously, it opts into a 4-digit PIN. This is the default one, but you can tap right over here to change the method, and you will also have a choice between pattern and password. I'm gonna stick with the pattern right here. Obviously, if you want to skip this, you can by tapping right here, skip, but I do want to set up a pattern. So I'm gonna draw it, tap on Next, repeat it, confirm it, and there we go, it's now set. We also have the option to unlock with our fingerprint. So if you want that, you can tap on Next and then start scanning your finger on the fingerprint sensor that is on the side. And if you don't want it, like me, then you can tap on Skip. Continue setup. I guess it's not like I have another option. System navigation. We have the 3-button navigation or gesture navigation. You can tap on either one of them, and it changes nothing at this moment. It just appears apparently when you finish up the setup. But you can see how it will affect it right over here. So you have this little bar at the bottom, and you swipe up from either top to go home, swipe up and hold, or swipe from either side to go back. And 3-button navigation is just a typical navigation that you most likely are used to. Anything else? Nope, so no thanks. And you're ready to go. Select Finish, and this gives us access to our home screen. So there we go, that's the setup of the device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.